Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Friends, welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome to bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned input group button in bootstrap 4. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video we have learned input group checkbox, and friends, in this video we have learned input group button. So friends, I've already creating a button and using the next page for all code. So friends, we can see this all code using the input group button. So friends, I've used already same class input group prepend. So friends, this class we have in previous videos already uses. So friends, this class is the main class for using a input. We have using a checkbox, we have using a button. So it's a main class. We have to using a input with checkbox, radios and buttons. So friends, you can see this. I've already using a same class and using a button or simple and same searching. You are getting a searching button and the first button have to use simple button. So friends, you should save and visit the page, refresh and see the result, how it will look like. So friends, this is a button. You have to click this and friends, you can see this. It's a simple button. Friends, you have to using a text box, bootstrap 4 tutorials, and friends, this is a button and you have to use a search button, search with button. Friends, so when this is a input group with button and text box. So I hope friends you like the videos. If you like the video, friend, please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos updates, press the bell icon. For more information, like my Facebook page, follow on Instagram and Twitter. Friend, if you have any query, friend, you can ask me, comment or email. And friends, visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com. Thank you for watching videos.